Hi. Yes, today we are planning poses, the main uh, extreme poses. We are planning for the walk. Okay. Yesterday we rigged the body. Today we are planning. So planning means these are the poses, the main poses. We are planning this. Suppose this pose is already there. Okay. In the opposite direction, this pose you have to do, and between this and this pose you have to do, and then between this and this pose you have to do, and between this and this pose you have to do. So these poses names are, this is contact, suppose this. Okay, the same contact here will come. Okay, so at the number is, so now we are trying on 8s means 8 frame walk. So 8 in 8 16 frames. Okay, so in 8 frame walk the character will take 3 steps. Okay, so in a second 3 steps he will take with cartonic walk. Okay, we are planning. Suppose if it is a very realistic, it could be an 16s. Okay, anyway, this contact at 9th frame we have to create and write. So for that what we do, at 9th frame, suppose this is the 9th frame, at a 9th pose. Okay, with press shift, click here. So these are the frames actually, the eyes, head, body, R leg, lower, R leg, R shoe, R leg lower, so L leg lower, L leg, L shoe, L arm, L hand. So these are up to, these are the reference images. So here what you do, right click and insert a keyframe. Okay, so yeah, here we forgot, here to here can extend frames, right click and insert keyframes, so that what the same frames up to 9th extended. Okay, and suppose we want our reference also, so you can, because without extend we cannot see those. Yes. Good. Suppose this pose you have to do, this is already there, so this pose you have to do. So opposite legs, this can be back and this can be front, and leg, hands also in opposite. Right. Suppose here what I do, first I'll make all the leg positions. Okay, so for that so you can lock all except your R leg. So yes, open the R leg L, R leg or R leg show. Okay, so select them, this. Okay, now what we do, pressing Q. Okay, this registration mark can keep there, and you can place here, and you can extend this up to here. So here the leg must be bit foldable here. So for that I select this and this. Okay, you can place this point here, and you can give bit inside. It must be on the line. areas on this tip. So these are all the adjustments you have to do. Because easily we can move this. This is can get bit inside because this shoe must be on that line, on that line. Yes, now according to this you can view the changes. Okay, now if you check this, yes, now what we do, make it Control S, okay, then other leg can move this side. Okay, now we can lock this, open the L, open the L leg properties. Okay, so you can choose this by dragging this. Okay, you can move that registration point and drag this here, drag this here on the onion skin, so that we'll understand the other leg position. Okay, other leg position. It is there. That leg on the other line, it must be on there. So this right leg is must be on this front line roller, the left leg must be on the left roller. Okay, yeah, this is okay, nice. Okay, now you can check this. See, the both legs are in opposite. So because we are using the different different color to understand which one is a front leg and which one is a back leg. Good, right, perfect. So but here do some adjustment here. So what you do, click here, suppose Control B, just break a part here and you can attach here. Attach here and click on this, Control B, Okay, yes, perfect. And Control S. Okay, this is nice. Next, come to hand positions. Suppose all the leg positions you can lock. Leg positions you can lock, then open the arm, so R hand open. Yes, so because your left leg is R leg is going back, so that your R hand must be front. Must be a front. Okay, can properly place this. Position this. Okay, right, this is nice. Fantastic. And here if you check this, so this hand is moving this way, and suppose here this line you can, if you remove this, it can be inside, suppose. No, this is okay. Yeah. Okay, next, can lock this and open L hand. Suppose L and L arm. Select this, okay, and this registration point can move up to here and move back, and suppose this can be inside. Yes, okay, yes, yes. Yeah, this the right hand I want to move it front. This you can select, can bit forward. Yes, that much. Perfect. Control S. Yes, good. What you did, so change the legs, hands opposite. This is for this contact. Okay, so now between this contact, so that means we already did this. Okay, and this is over. Between this and this we have to plan the passing position. So passing position and breakdown both are same. So in this position, okay, that red leg means that left leg must cross the front one, and the foot compulsory should lean on the floor, and the hand must be completely stretchable. Okay, so it is completely 90 degrees, so it is okay. And this pose you can move up, so bit move up this portion. Okay, right. So those are the changes you have to do. This is called passing position. This is at fifth, number 5. At number 5, what you do, select all the frames up to here, by pressing shift and insert keyframe. Okay, so keyframes inserted for the 5th frame. Yes, so this must be cross. So open the L leg. So L leg, L leg, L show, and L leg lower. Okay, others you can close. Yes. First what you do here, first open all the frames, so that you can extend a bit up. Okay, yes. Yeah, otherwise I will do one thing. First we plan the passing position, because the passing position leg is stretching here, so that how much the body can extend, you'll understand. Okay, so right, so open the R leg, suppose R leg, R shoe, and this. Okay, so press Q, so you'll get this registration point, and you can move this up to almost straight. Okay, almost straight, and you can move this much up, and the shoe must be on the floor. Okay, right. Yes. Now what we do, can lift the whole body. So R leg you can lock, and other the body parts you can open. Okay, can select all, and you can move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 15 points. Except this R leg. So because R leg already moved up. Yes. Next, what we have to do? Position the L leg. So R leg position is over. Now you can lock all these things. Can lock all and open only L leg. Okay, and see the position. You can place this registration point and move here, Okay, and then what you do, you can select this only, you can keep this bit front, okay, and now select this and this, okay. Keep this point and you can move up to here. Just you follow me, observe this, this is very important. And you can turn this, because this is a folded leg. Yes, it's a folded leg. Okay, and this can be bit back. This is, suppose this is excellent. This is okay, right. Now if you see this, see this, perfect. So any adjustments if you want to do, make it Control B at that area, and you can extend this up to here, and you can pull back. Yes, perfect. Okay, now Control S. Perfect. And then lock all these things and open our hands. Suppose our hand, our arm, these two, the position is here, the hands position, suppose here almost straight, okay, and you can select this, it can be bit down, it is coming bit down. Okay, next this and this, select, and this reference point you can keep here, and you can move it. Yes, okay, and now Control B, break apart, so then you can move this up to here so that it can match with that. Perfect. Make it Control S. Excellent. Okay, this is nice. And then lock these two hands and open L hands. So L arm and L hand. Okay, so drag this and select, and you can keep this point here. Okay, and you can move this here, and suppose you can place here, and this you can make it down. Okay, and you can make it break apart. You can join this. You can give the proper shape, and this, and suppose this. Select this and press Q. Keep this point here, and you can get inside and move this up to center. Yes. Yes, here the body is covering there. Okay, right, and Control S. Now see this, beautiful. So this is what the passing position pose here. Okay, and this is contact, second contact, and this is a first contact. So these are the poses for today we applied. Okay, so because the walk is very important, slowly you learn this, the process, then only you will understand. Otherwise so many things continuously, if I add all these things, it will be a big confusion. Okay, so very nice. So today we applied 3 poses. The first pose is there, and the second contact. Okay, and between these two, first is at first, and second contact is at 9th, and the passing position or the breakdown pose at 5th. Okay, so you also can set these poses, then the remaining other poses in the next class I'll explain. Okay, so follow this, and if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.